Periodically, it is possible that you need to roll back to a previous build that was associated with a live site. For this reason, Flare automatically sets previous live builds to keep. You can also set builds to keep manually. The keep setting makes it easier to identify the build to roll back to, and it also prevents a user from accidentally deleting that build. When you need to roll back to another build, first you need to know which build you want to roll back to. So select Projects on the left side of the interface, then click a project name to open it. On the Builds page view, select the target. In the grid, look for the Keep icon next to the build that was previously set as live. Make note of the ID for that build. On the left side of the interface, click Sites. Then click the name of the site you want to edit. In the dialog, click the Build drop-down. Select the build that was previously used for the live output. In other words, find the build with the matching ID that you noted on the Builds page. Click Save. That build is now associated with the live site. On the project's Builds page, notice that the live link icon is shown next to the build you selected, and the previously live build now has the Keep icon next to it. If you want to delete the build that you replaced, you can remove the Keep setting on it by selecting the checkbox next to that build and clicking the Set as Keep button. Then remove the build.